Engineering is going through a real revolution. Cloud computing, the Internet of Things, and data integration have a huge impact on industrial production systems. An efficient exchange of digital data between the different engineering phases is necessary to prevent disruption. It's a quantum leap in the digital value chain. In the concept phase of a traditional engineering process, the customer and the sales department often map out the project on paper. When the project enters the design phase, the electrical, mechanical and software department often continue to work separately, without a well-structured information exchange. Due to this way of working, the project suffers. The transfer from design to manufacturing is also usually done on paper, which again leads to mistakes and loss of time. The same applies to the transfer of information to maintenance. The search for the correct documentation often results in a long downtime of a machine or installation. If you want to work efficiently, you must think in an integrated way. That starts in the sales phase. Thanks to the digitization and modularization of engineering data, you can immediately start with conceptual design. This smart customization ensures substantial time savings, better estimable offers, and sharper delivery times. Smart engineering stands for a smart connection of electrical, mechanical, and software data. Thanks to one virtual prototype, everyone speaks the same language. It opens the door to smart production. The digital twin with 3D info and other smart data ensures smooth communication between man and machine. The better and more accessible information is built up in the sales, engineering and production phases, the less time you'll lose later on in case of downtime. When a maintenance engineer is able to open the right schedule immediately, he can trace faults much faster. This makes a smart service possible. You can also store everything in the cloud, so everyone has direct access to the right digital data at any given time. It's crystal clear. Working in an integrated way creates added value, shortens the lead time of your projects, and reduces downtime in case of a breakdown. This way you create a great added value for your product. Do you want to know how you can do this? The different solutions within the EPLAN platform support you towards an integrated engineering and production process. Your digital transformation with EPLAN.